Feeling excited to see what comes of this whole experience. This is kind of a taboo subject for like kids and parents and stuff. Some people feel like they don't know where to go for this type of information, so hopefully we can like help them with that.
I love to write songs, sort of my hobby thing. I'm feeling pumped, I'm excited, I can't wait.
But I heard that Mark and they were coming up, and I was like, "Ish, give them one of my songs," but no.
I feel like we're gonna be doing a lot. Oh, I can already tell we're going to be doing a lot.
This is probably the first Noho I've been on for anything other than sports.
Yeah, it's a privilege to be here.
Because out of our school, it's pretty small. I didn't even know that people would have thought, oh, let's get people from Epirau.
We have to make a music video to go with it. So we thought we might just watch a few music videos that we've found.
I just came here to have a fun time and just learn more about what our kaupapa is, I guess.
What I hope to achieve, I guess to learn a bit more about what the sexuality is.
Oh, just safety, I reckon. Just because these things out there that no good.
First 5 syllables. The next one should have 7 syllables.
Make sure you are safe. You go. Make sure you are safe.
We can spend a lifetime, baby. Baby, would you be mine?
Oh, I guess I'll just be one of the ones standing in the background.
I would like to be like behind the cameras, I don't want to be like in front of it or rapping or anything like that.
Oh, wait, that doesn't look at you.
Reset. I'm sorry.
You're real sorry.
I'm really sorry. I've done this this many times from the beginning now.
Hey, I'm like the home stretch.
Baby, won't you be mine? See, we can spend a lifetime, baby. Baby, won't you be mine? Whoa, baby, won't you be mine?
Yeah, I reckon it'll like make people realise it is okay to talk about it, and it's not okay to just go along and think you can do what you want.
Have confidence to find ways to find out this stuff.
Don't go too quickly in a relationship. Make sure it's loyal, trust. Got to actually have love instead of lust.
We didn't want to like be main stars, but then we just stepped up and did it, so hopefully this can help other people have a voice.
End up becoming a little bit more wisened up about what we're doing here. Wisens up everybody else around the country, hopefully overseas and that as well. It's a pretty good thing though, doing a music video like this.